Now, this original neon pothos looks good over here, but the problem is it has started pooling down at the bottom. So I was thinking to make some sort of an artistic feature on the wall over here. So let's get started on that. So there are 4 really long vines over here, and I am thinking of doing a spiral feature of some sort across this wall. I don't really have a plan right at the beginning, but yes, we will go with the flow. So let me just untangle this beauty first. I should have thought of this before, but I was really enjoying the way it looked trailing, but then I had no plan of what I was going to do with it once it has trailed. But I'm thinking a feature wall with this plant would look really nice. It has sort of like braided itself along the way. Let's see. Okay, so I did manage to get the longest one out, and it doesn't really matter because I do get up on a step stool to water this. I don't really move it all that often, so I feel that it's okay if I just clip it to the wall. Maybe something like this would look nice. Let's see. Or do I want it to go all the way up? Maybe the first one, since it's coming out from the back side, I will take it up. So let me just go get my step stool. So this is what the cable clips look like. So you have this adhesive cover which comes off, which is why you do not see that red part at the back. It has a transparent sticky glue in the middle here. As you can see, this is the plastic, this is the glue, and then you have this red cover to protect the glue, and this is where your wine is going to go through, and you're going to use this part to pull the clip forward and insert your wine. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to be pulling this clip forward as much as you can and then insert the wine in, and you're good to go. This is pretty easy. Whenever you're inserting the wine into the cable ties, make sure you do not damage the tissues of the wine. You really don't want to do that because you never know when it starts getting infected and then browning and then getting destroyed. Oops. Now I know that this clock is nothing fancy, but hey, you don't always need fancy things. Now this is the next longest one. I feel like I'm putting up Diwali lights right now, only with leaves. the leaves on this vine is facing all direction, which is why it's a bit tricky to get it to style on the wall. But yes, I feel like I'm just putting it up in all directions, but maybe I will just do it a bit over here. I need to order more cable clips now. Okay, that's good. I didn't fall short of cable clips for now, but I would have to order these soon, because as this grows, I'm thinking of making a spiral over here, but I feel that this looks really pretty. At least it's much better than a blank wall over here. So yes, let me see what it looks like on camera. I really like how the color transitions from dark green to neon over there. Yes, I feel this looks really pretty.